Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, y'all, look at all this hair. So we are about to braid our hair again. Um, if I start to seem kind of like sluggish in the video, I am just getting over a nasty bug. Like, stomach was in shambles. But I wanted to come on here and inspire you, and yes, you back there, that you can teach yourself how to do this hair, honey, because y'all see all this hair? And I like to get braids and soft locks and stuff. And guess who's not paying $300-400 because yes, they be trying to charge me that much because I got a lot of hair. But guess who's not finna pay for it? Me. I'm not. I ain't paying for it. So we have been teaching ourselves how to do our own braids and locks and just hairstyles in general. Next, I want to teach myself how to do a sew-in, but that's gonna take some time. But I have my hair prepped all right here, and yeah, we're just gonna go get right into it. I am not a professional, y'all. I'm not a licensed braider. I live in Florida. I don't even think you need to be licensed to be a braider in Florida, now that I think about it. But I say all that to say that I'm not a professional. I am self-taught. So if you're trying to give tips and advice, please give me some grace and be mindful of the fact that I consider myself to be a beginner because I don't do it professionally. I do braids on a select few of people, and the more I practice, the better I am getting. And it's all about growth, honey. So let's go ahead and turn this mane into some nice knotless braids. I think I'm not gonna do extra small because we're gonna be here all day. But I do want to kind of go for like kind of small-ish. So we'll just see how it goes. Parting is such a drag, but we're going to be here for a while. It's a little after 10 o'clock. I started a little bit late because I wasn't feeling that great. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I told myself that I was going to give myself straight through nonstop at least 5 hours of work and then see where I am from there because I still have to make my way to go pick up my daughter from daycare. So it's a little after 10. It's like basically 10:30. It's 10:30, y'all. So let's go ahead and get started and get it happening, honey. If you like this video and you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. All right, bye, y'all. Well, not bye, but let's get to it. All right, y'all. So the parting part is like honestly the most tedious, and I don't know that I'm gonna even try to record all of that, but I kind of want to show y'all where we are right now. As y'all can see, that's about as straight as we're gonna kind of get here. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just do a couple rows and just get into the swing of things. And as we get a little bit higher, where it will be easier for me to kind of show y'all, I will show y'all how I do it. I mean, I literally went on YouTube to figure this out, and between YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, I taught myself. So we'll be back after we get a couple rows done because I don't want to be here all day either. Okay, y'all. I know I said that I was going to come back when we had like a few rows done, but I just kind of wanted to show y'all where we are. I did go back and fix the part a little bit because it was looking a little too janky for me. I tried to get 6 down here, but I really didn't want them to be extremely small. Like, I want small, but I didn't want small. Like, I got a big head. I got a lot of hair. We ain't got time for all that shit. But this is where we are now. My first row is always my janky row. And that's just because it's like the first row. Like, I'm trying to part, like, whatever. But I'm going to go ahead and get into my groove, y'all. And I'll be back in a little while. All right, y'all. Baby, I'm tired. I'm getting tired, y'all. We are approaching the 3-hour mark. It started getting a little hectic back here with the parting, but it's going to be covered. So as long as I make sure everything is on the up and up going forward, we should be good. But this is where we are right now, you guys. It literally, I have 42-inch braiding hair, and it's going down to the buttocks, which is fine. Like, I didn't really want it that long, but it just kind of happened that way. So this is where we are right now at almost 3 hours in, you guys. So we're almost halfway done. So here is where we are right now, you guys. 5 hours in. We are just basically, this is the last row of the, well, I would say it's more than halfway, but I did the parts as neat as I could, you guys. It's really hard to part your own hair. Kudos to those who get them parts nice and crispy, okay? But here is where we are right now, honey. I'm tired, y'all, but we're going to keep on going. So that's 5 hours. That's actually really, really good timing, in my opinion. But the key is to get yourself prepped. I've only been able to prep like a bundle at a time because of how my setup is in my bathroom, but it is what it is. We rocking, we rolling, and we're gonna get it done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this row for y'all, and then we gotta go pick up the baby, and then I'll finish, and then I'll show you guys the end result because this is a lot. It's given. I'm tripping for doing this many braids in my head. Okay. Alright, superstars. So those are our braids, honey. These things is long, okay? I can't even like show y'all all the way, but let this be some inspiration to those who think that they cannot do it. I am self-taught, okay? I ain't claiming that I'm a professional. I'm learning as I go, okay? So if you're gonna leave feedback, let it be constructive. Just saying. If y'all enjoyed this little video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. I'll put the links to our other social media in the description box, and I'll also put the brand of the hair, the inch, and the color that I used. What else, y'all? I think that's it. Listen, as tired as I am, 11 hours of braiding is still worth it to me to not have to pay somebody else to do my hair. It's always gonna be worth that because some of these braiders, and I get it, this is how they earn their money, but they be tripping with the prices, baby. And I will sacrifice a day to get me a free hairdo, in a sense, because the hair that I got was $3.99 a pack. Like, I ain't spending much to do my hair, child, and I was not gonna be paying somebody $300 something to do these braids, and they don't look half bad. So get into the style, y'all. I will see y'all next time. Bye, superstars.